Hello, everyone, and welcome to another quick scan session with Ben and Raffa. I'm Ben, Raffa is the other guy on the screen, and we're here to do actual live trading with the quick scanner. The quick scanner is built inside Altrady. It tells you exactly when markets are making specific moves, and we can actually go over to the quick scanner to just quickly show my settings. Currently using time frame of 15 minutes, Binance futures with 2% drops and rises with a minimum volume of 1 million. It's basically what we've been doing for the last months. And let's see how today goes. How are you doing, Raffa?
Doing good, Ben. Hello, everyone. Market quite nervous today, so let's try to find some.
Yeah, we just had some news, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. So we're gonna
You
run mini
were
live
live
today.
streaming the news. Can you give a quick recap of what happened?
Yeah. So today we receive the review about the U.S. GDP that has rose from 3.3% to 3.8 for the second quarter, and the jobless claim falls. So the dollar is rising, the euro is dropping, and the crypto are in red today. So solid numbers from the US economy. And let's try to find some interesting trade today.
Okay. What is your guess? Are we looking for longs or shorts? This
I will prefer for some long, some bounce, but so far the sellers are in control. But I can see quick scan is showing a green list, so we are
everything's
already a bit late as always.
yeah, it's about to get started, I suppose. But yeah, if you're saying longs, then I'm with you. I mean, there's a lot of green, and we need to change it to the 3 minutes, otherwise everything looks weird. And yeah, there you go. There are the tops that we're seeing across. Okay, you say long, but let's say yeah. Oh, if you say long, then this would be a nice long first entry, right?
Yeah, we are doing scalping, so actually both long and short
We
are
don't care.
available.
Oh, let's do that. Yeah, that seems about right. We're seeing the RSI, stochastic RSI, doing well. Let's see if we can grab some trades. Also, if you're here on the chat, let us know if you're there. Let us know if you've got markets that you've seen. You say, hey, listen, look, there might be an opportunity there. Go dive in. This will be good.
Yeah, guys.
We love the participation. And if not, just like. That's always good.
Yeah, it's a good time now for trading, scalping. So let's share it together.
Let's see if we can get in on this one. I just may have clicked slightly too late. But who knows? It might turn around.
Let's see. What others? Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum.
No! I clicked 5 seconds too late. And this is already happening. That's not fair. Not fair. All right, move on. Don't think too much. If we're looking for longs, then we're looking for red. Red. Ugh, no. Oh, nice bounce off the 200.
Yeah.
It's a bit indecisive.
A bit slow.
Any breakouts? Yep, we get a breakout. So, but we need to see better, because it could just be a bounce off the 200 moving average like that, and then we don't get in. If it goes here, I might consider going in like this.
Yeah. That could be a nice entry if the price goes as we expect.
Let's just set it up like that. So in case we get it, maybe. So basically we can use the expire as well if it goes like that. So then we just pin this one. We'll see what goes on. So you see me doing these trades on the quick scanner with live trading, and we're actually taking trades as much as we can. But this may not be your trading style. That's perfectly fine. If you're a swing trader, then it doesn't really matter like what type of trader you are or what the chart looks like. If you've got a good setup and a good entry, then you can learn how I set up these trades and what I do with them. So for example, here with that expire position and automatic take profit and stop loss and things like that, that still applies if you're a swing trader. You might not be comfortable trading on this time frame. I mean, I stopped doing trading on this time frame for a long time. I've recently picked it up because of the live streams, but in my actual trading strategy, I trade on the longer terms, but that's boring to watch. Although we have made some more series about that with the smart money concept trading, which is also swing trading, of course. So you can see me apply risk-based calculations. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking at the risk-reward ratio. I'm setting up 1% risk of my account balance, my trading balance, I should say. Making sure that I limit my exposure in this market, but still get a good risk-reward ratio for this strategy. Now, your risk-reward ratio might be better, where you go for 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, doesn't matter. Yeah, you can apply any trading strategy, and you can find the tools in here that will help you progress in your trading journey.
Yeah.
Did you do some live trading this week, Raffa?
Yeah, I did on the Italian channel. So I was speaking in Italian, and actually it was really good trading session. So I made over like 6% profit.
Actually, you made a lot more than that because
yeah. I mean, something like happened during the season that it was not under my control, and fortunately, it was like I get a sign from some listed coin, so the portfolio just swollen. But yeah, it was not that bad. So, as you say, Ben, so maybe a quick scan is more suitable for scalpers, but even in that case, if you are like a full trader, you do swing trader, multi-day, and scalping as well. And even doing scalping, it could help you to understand more deeply the market, even for the long term. So it's always a good occasion to use quick scan and doing some even short scalping.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a short maybe here. I mean, there's all signs of being overbought, so that's good. And just waiting to time this entry a little bit better. Obviously, it's a bit risky here, but there's so much room here. This is a 2% with a 3-3 risk reward ratio. But in theory, I'd want to see a red candle first.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's always waiting, especially when the market is a little bit slow like this. But you see this break right above the 200.
Yeah.
Just
yeah. So usually using quick scan, or you wait a little bit to catch the right trigger setup, or it's too late, as it happened before that the price already spiked. So it's always
we would have had it.
So need to be patient, of course, or need to be lucky to spot the right move at the right time.
Yeah, maybe there's something. Yeah, it could be like it's gonna. Expect it to go down back to the middle line at some point again.
Yeah, actually the main trade is bearish. Yeah.
But so far, this is not playing nicely. So let's not wait here. Ooh. This would have been a beautiful trade. So far, we're only seeing the longs popping by. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't like this risk though. Because ideally, I'd want to set my risk here, but because in case this happens, where it's just a quick dip above and then not an actual true break. Yeah, no, I can't enter that. It's also kind of difficult. This might be better. Yeah.
Yeah, it's reversing.
Again, let's see if we can pick it up at a little bit of a decent level. And let's set it to, 2 risk reward. That's fine. Expired position when it's there. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's a shame. This one was cancelled because it already hit the expiration price of 14437, but you can see it's bouncing nicely, so we could set this up again, just adjust it, pick it up on the 200 again, make sure that it's 1% risk, and see if we can target something nice. That's a nice one. Let's see. Oh, wait. Let's set the expiration like that. Let's lock the tap so that we know that we're busy with them. Oh, we're in boss.
Oh.
So that's the first trade taken for the day.
All right.
And now let's see if we can get a nice profit from this one. What are you doing here? Lots of breakouts happening. Fluid. Does fluid have enough to... Yeah, there's a lot. Actually, considering doing it like this one with that one and to there. Oh, it's not filled yet. So let's set the cancellation on because we don't want to be caught off guard. And let's see if we can get another. That's boss, that's fine. BTR, no port. This is also looking nice now. It's a similar setup as fluid, which fluid just got filled. So let's see if we can do something similar with port 3. It's a 2-2. Expire. Let's see if we can catch some of these trades. So fluid's in. Grass. Oh, look at grass. It's moving away from us.
Yeah.
But it's still a valid entry here. So how many have we got open now?
Bus and fluid. If I'm not wrong. Yeah.
Yeah. Fluid and bus are open, and we have grass and port 3 pending. So, yeah. And this move is gone. It's the margin is too short now. Look, it's these type of trades now. So breaking out, going to the 200. This one already broke out of the 200. Useless is useless, so let's not go there. This is almost about to break. So let's set up an alert to see if we can get notified. This is, yeah. Oh, look at these levels. It breaks out here. Have we got something on a higher time frame that we like? No. No, we would need to get a lower entry, but
yeah.
Which, yeah, this should be possible.
Yeah, so it looks good.
For people that are wondering, what is this near trade doing here? This smart money concept trade that's doing Okay. That's not part of this series.
Was yesterday.
Grass we can unlock because we're out. We have 4 open, or four in total. Let's close this one.
Yeah. 2 pending and 2 already on.
But we can always look for the next best thing. Milk. XPL. Oh, that's a very new one that just got launched. It's got crazy percentage on the day.
Violent dump.
Port 3 is gone. Yeah, it's a shame.
Expire.
Yeah, it's a shame. It looks like it's going to go there, but we don't have the entry. But we just keep on looking.
What the hell is this?
There's not many entries now.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Bitcoin and Ethereum are getting stabilized. So
let's just see if we can check the reaction on this break. Yeah, I'll risk it. I mean, I normally wouldn't do this, but we want to get something nice. It's an okay setup. Yeah, fluids there. Sats is gonna get. Are we gonna get our fill? Just a bounce off this middle line, expecting it to finally break through this support and resistance line. No dice.
ooh, huge potential for this.
Well, the good thing is that this actually closed above.
It could be a disaster or a happy ending. So
I'm always for the happy ending, but fluid is just, yeah.
Knee.
I want it to be bigger, but it's nice that it's not this bound, and like it's been going down. It's now reversed swing. We actually, no, we did not have a shift on the 3 minute yet. So if we can close above this one, that would be really nice. So like if you want to know how that works, you can just say on bar close like that, and then you get notified on the 3 minute bar close. And then we'll have a nice little shift notification. Bass, okay, so Bass is here. No, I don't want it to. This looks like it's gonna just pick up. Oh, there's a nice fair value gap here. Touch of that middle line, and it's just gonna grab. Actually, I will give it a cooldown of 1 minute. That means we will give it an extra minute in case it does get like wicked out. Swept. We don't want sweeps. We don't like sweeps. The audience is very quiet today. We don't have a regular. Is Soda here?
What's happening, guys? You're sleeping? It's because I ran another live earlier. That's why. Ooh, look at that bounce. Maybe everyone is too focus on their own trade, so they don't have time to type on the chat. Too busy doing some good trades.
Let's see if there's an hedge. Kinda is, but it should be here then. If we do that, then we have our small hedge. One minute left on this one. One minute left on the candle. You might think why would it be short, but it's because it did touch this upper Bollinger Band and likely to go back to the middle line. And in this case, it would be a hedge because we have a position the other way. Yeah, I'm just going to take the hedge. We'll see. One of them is going to be true, or what's always possible. Well, in this case, one of them is going to be true because my take profit is here, and then I can hit this stop loss. That's fine. But it can also do take this out and then take this out. You never know. It's always the case. Is there somewhere where the schedule of lives are posted? Yes, they are on our YouTube channel. So if you subscribe and check it, you will see the one that, for example, next week on Tuesday is already listed there. And they're fairly regular. Thursday is usually the day where we do this.
Or subscribe on our Telegram channel so you get the notification in time.
Oh, did we? No. Oh yeah, Bass. That's the one. Not liking Bass anymore. At least one of these positions is going to be in a profit soon.
Crucial moment.
Yeah, no, this is taking me too long. We're not doing that. Internet was a bit glitchy, but so does back in town. That's good.
Hello, Soda. Welcome back. Soda is always with us.
This looks like a nice step.
Oh, wow. Tooth. What happened to Tooth? Look like Tesla chart.
Tesla. You can trade Tesla now on Bybit.
Are you serious?
Yeah. And Apple and yeah.
Oh, I mean, they have like the stock section.
Yeah, but they're just coins.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This chart is beautiful.
Let's see what Tut is doing. Yeah, let me show you. Here. Spot. Why do we only see Binance? Custom lists all exchanges. Bybit. TS. This Tesla.
Oh, wow. So it reflects exactly the Tesla asset move.
Yeah, I think so.
You know, like replication. Wow.
Yeah.
What happened? We get filled.
Man, 40 minutes in and we're not making any move. We've got a few positions open, but there's a lot of sideways movement so far.
I was so excited. But yeah, today.
At this point, I'm almost like, okay, just let it be a loss, and then at least we have something. So much sideways movement.
Every coin is like in a compression phase.
And the question now is, are we on the right side or the wrong side of the...
We are on the right. Especially on Tooth, I'm quite confident the chart is beautiful. And even on that one. Maybe it could take a bit long. But
Fluid is about to Do you think near will reach my short take profit target? Let me have a look. $2,736. Yeah, but that's gonna take a while. I mean, I have mine set at 2,727. Yeah, of course. I can check why I entered. So here I entered because it was a breakout on the 200 moving average. And this move, so basically you see this move happening and then touch of the 200 moving average. Now, as we're trading with Bollinger Bands, this is usually what would happen. And we're hoping for that type of move. And I have my stop loss set at this point here, the midway of the Bollinger Band. I can actually move it a little bit higher now, but price is too close for it now that I don't want it to get swept away. But that's what that is. For the take profit, I've looked for some support and resistance here, some nice liquidity levels here to set my take profit there, giving me enough risk reward ratio. That's for BAS. Then for Fluid, it's a similar setup. So we have this long move going down. Yes, I'm on the 3-minute chart. We have this long move going down like that. Now we're having a slight move up and another move up. And I'm expecting it to touch that. So that's why I've got my take profit set up here. And again, it's this long move down that makes me think that it's going to go to this 200 moving average. It also broke out like these Bollinger Bands right here and is now above the middle line, which is also a good sign because it tends to then move into this Bollinger Band pattern where it will stay within the bands. And obviously this is the nice scenario. The bad scenario would be that it, so this is, let's go with green. And then we have something with red where it does something like this. Oh, double click too soon. Hello. Now we want 3 minutes. The worst case scenario would be something like this would happen. That would be bad. But equally, like, it's possible, right? We don't know. But I'm not concerned about it touching this band. So from here going here, I'm not really concerned about that. The reason why I entered here was because also I wanted to get into this market on the live stream. So don't take all my entries as perfect entries because I don't like to sit here doing nothing. So I tend to take positions. And I think we've got something on Aster now.
So is that first higher high that indicates you to that the downward trend is reversing? Love it organic is asking.
Yes, that first higher high is an indication that it's like, you can see it like here. So here you have this one there, then you have a higher low and a higher high. It's a similar thing, right? And then we expect it to go down one more time, but we don't know exactly where. And so ideally you'd want to be entering around this area. I'm going to make this stop loss a little bit tighter because I like this profit.
Yeah, I love it organic. Every reverse is based on the 1, 2, 3 Ross hook. So of course it has to have higher high. So there is one condition to enter for a reversal, but of course there are other parameters. Another parameter is that I say today, just looking for long. So then listen to me. And
yeah, the first one that we're going to hit in profit, this is short. This one's definitely profit, right? So we can all agree that this one's definitely profit, although it is a hedge. So yeah, it is a profit, but you can see this bounce, right? So it's now completed that move. So this is that move. So now we have another one here. So we expect it to go up here.
so it's our edge gone.
The hedge is gone, yeah.
The
But we've
edge
already
is
locked
gone.
in some profit, yeah.
Okay, let me. What? How much we made?
Yeah, I'll check you in a sec. I'll just move this one up now so that we can actually secure. So we had 95 cents.
All right. So our first profit is an edge. That's beautiful. That's so cool.
Yeah, so if we close this position right now, we would actually break even though this one would be a loss. So that's that's the purpose of hedging, right? So you hedge with decent risk reward ratio on both sides, and then you hope for the correct order. So take profit on one side, stop loss on the other, right? Obviously, if you time it better, then you take profit on both sides, but that's not always the case. And at least if we do it like this, so if it's going to take out this stop loss, that's fine. Then at least we won't have lost as much as we did, because now our hedge is gone. I can't risk taking too much right now. Yep, we're out. So now we actually took a little bit more of a loss, which is okay. At least we have some movement. There. Just have to wait for it to fully update. There we go. Now we get the final prices, which is a minus. So Raffa, if you check the Excel sheet, you see it's a minus 3% now. Two trades.
We are out from Tooth and Aster.
Well, Tooth was still in, I think. No, we're out on Tooth as well now.
Yeah.
Finally, the market decided to move. Are we fully out? Yes, we are fully out. So we have minus 247. Minus 247. So we're currently at minus 1.4%. And this was all because I asked Raffa, are we going to go long or short today?
yeah, exactly. Next time I will shut up my mouth.
Today I was like, okay, I'm looking for the longs, and then we do a hedge in a short, and that actually worked out. No, this move is already done. Yeah, you see this move again, right? So it's this long line down again, and then you see this break. Well, actually, you see one here, there, and now we're getting there again, which technically You could disregard this one. So just make this the move. So here, if we can see something like a breakout, so if we can see something like this again, then this would be a nice potential scalp. Let's check risk reward ratio 1.7, 1.8. Actually, we can aim a little bit higher, of course, because it should move higher. Now we're getting into a 3. We could even say that if we aim it to here and then look for 2, 2 there, that's actually the safer trade to take.
Yeah. Give more breath to the market.
Yeah. Like, even though the risk reward ratio with the smaller stop loss would be good, but the success chance is a lot lower.
Yeah.
Oof. Now let's see if we can make that move as well. So you see, this is a better entry area, especially with this 15-minute fair value gap. If we can get like above this, if we can close above there, that would be awesome.
Yeah, we didn't have any edge here, but it was nice if we could have it.
Yeah, Bass is just rejected off the 200. See, it just can't, it rejected again. It just can't pierce through it. So we might have to consider this one a goner as well. So much for the longs of today. Let's see if we can find a short. Not much. No, this looks like touch on the 200 combined. Risk. It's just all a bit small. That'll be a 5. That's an amazing trade. Got 2 minutes in though. This will give us a 1. It is, yeah, still that, so it creates this. No. No, maybe here would be better then. Let's see if we can get it like that. So we're entering on this low, where it would retouch that support and resistance, stop loss just below that. And then the take profit still at the same level. looks like Fluid is still struggling to break from that low point. But the RSI is, or stochastic RSI in this case, is at the low point. So we saw a nice bounce of that previously here. There we go.
Tension music.
Yeah.
Tension. I have goosebumps during this live due to the music.
I mean, yeah. But some weeks the market goes crazy at the time that we start, and then today it's like too soft, too slow. So the only exciting things are the beats for today. There we go. That's Fluid gone.
Fluid is gone as well.
Look at it. Look at the reaction.
Just took our stop and then pumping up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's still there. But no, it's too late for the stream now. Anyway, I would have considered taking this one again if it broke above this one to this one.
Yeah.
But yeah, considering the time, I'm not doing that today. See, and that's why these streams, the profit and loss can be a little bit deceiving sometimes, because we do things that you normally wouldn't necessarily do when you're trading for yourself and you have the day to trade, right? We only have an hour, and I always like to have some positions in an hour, and unfortunately that means that sometimes you take positions a little bit too early. That's the name of the game, I suppose. And that's why we don't do this with a fully funded account. Because we will be wiped out quite quickly. So the strategy here, the strategy that we're applying is, or like the things that you can look out for, like with these moves, they apply on any time frame, right? This is not just on 3. So what I'm showing you here is just on the 3-minute time frame, but these things, they appear on every single time frame. And the strategy that you can apply, like looking for these higher highs and lower highs to see a sign of reversal, that applies on any time frame. And it's exactly what we're doing with the smart money concept, right? With the smart money concept, we also look for those types of swings. It's just that right now on the 3-minute, we're using the Bollinger Bands because high time frame, low time frame for smart money concept, the lowest you can go really comfortably is 15 minutes. But 15 minutes would be, there wouldn't be enough entries in an hour to show you that.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
How's Fluid doing? Yeah, it's a shame. This is.
So
I know it. Like I know. Like when I come home and I look at, it's gonna take out this fair value gap. I just know it. I'm just gonna
100%.
set an alert and see. Like you should have waited.
Please take a screenshot for me, Ben, once you get home.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, the real problem is that time is a big component for trading. So many people, they just look at, the profit, the potential profit, the stop loss, the price move, and stuff like that. But actually, the time is really important, and most of traders, they don't count the time. So on the scalping session, like right now, we don't have enough time to catch the correct move. So if we are not in the perfect timing decision making, that is a loss. But maybe the intuition was good, was right.
Yep. And yeah, there's a reason why I stopped trading 3-minute charts. It's just too time consuming, and you really have to sit here the whole day and manage them properly to get. What about gambling memes on pump funds? Yeah, why not? Can you lend me some money? Can I use your leverage? Come on, Tut. What is Tut? Here. Trade now tutorial prize. Tutorial token. What is this? Here's your meme coin. What are you talking about, Roman? We are trading meme coins. It's just like the casinos. Get a deposit, you're ready to lose. Yeah. No, I've played, or I gambled in a Las Vegas casino once, and I took them for everything they had. No, I didn't. I had a evening of free drinks and $40 in my pocket at the end of the day.
You still have your pocket at least.
Extra $40. And free drinks. Like, it's, It's not every night that you go out and you come home with more money than you went and you actually drunk. Now stay green. That would be playing nice. Jaime is moving. Yeah, all these coins are about to pop, and this one isn't. This one's just going sideways, but we are moving up to the Bollinger Band, so that's good. It's narrowing, and a narrowing Bollinger Band usually follows by some extreme movement, either in the upside or downside. We don't know. But as we're close to the 200 moving average, I'm hoping that it can actually finally break through. Ooh, that was a big rejection. This music is indeed adding to the to the tension.
Dopamine flowing to my vein.
At least we have this near trade that clears out all the losses that we make. That's a good candle. It did close him in green, so that's good. Let's check back on Jaime. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm just tempted to put it there. That would be nice. I'm just gonna wing it. It doesn't really matter anyway. If we get the loss, then we get the loss. But if we can't get to this fair value gap right here, then I'm gonna blame Raffa because he said to go long.
I take all the blame. I say it here right now. Don't worry, Dan.
I mean, and to be fair, you made $40 on this account. That was a
to balance it back.
40% increase. You
Don't
have
worry, man.
You have some slack. Like we can lose a little bit, and
yeah, but tonight late. Don't worry, you're gonna get refund immediately because this open trade will get the profit. Don't be afraid.
Now we're getting there. If we can close above here, again, if you want to know if a market closes above, set an alert, trigger type on bar close, set and forget, and you'll be notified. So handy. You can also do it with trend lines, by the way. So if you want to see like just a little bit on the 200 moving average, where's my drawing? Oh, there. You can set the alert like so, and then say if it closes above that, like that. You see a little bell icon on top of it. It's funny because when I first logged on, I thought to myself, "Oh, good, the background music is great."
I appreciate that.
The worst background music. So I'm glad you like it. I mean, I do. So.
Band playlist.
Yeah, no, I found some nice music on YouTube actually that we're allowed to use, because that's the thing, right? Yeah, I can't just put on Spotify and stream the latest and greatest from your favorite artist.
It reminds me like Anatolia vibes, like Turkish music.
Yeah, it's a bit like that.
Like Middle East music. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the background of this this mix has indeed got a Middle Eastern lady on this. It's very calm and relaxing, and a little bit tense every now and then, just at the right times. Yeah, it's indeed mellow enough. Like I'm not blasting full techno on here, or what is it? Heavy metal. Like this is not a clear higher high yet. So it did go past it, but it's not a close. Like we want to see a close. But I'm afraid we're reaching the end of the live stream. So I won't be able to show much, but rest assured, I will leave these trade open. and we can check next week if we've made it to the 300 line or if we're back to 170 like last week. And then I'll just give it back to Raffa and let him find the market that gets delisted and turn it into a mega profit.
Nice.
All right, everyone.
Smoky.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next live stream. So Love It Organic. The next live stream is on Tuesday at 12 UTC, 12 o'clock midday UTC. So wherever you are in the world, that's the time it's on. If you can't make it, that's also fine. We don't take offense, but you can always watch it back on replay, of course. And if you have questions, we're on Discord as well. If you want to join our Discord, click here. Discord community is free. All channels are open and accessible. And if you have questions about smart money concept, Roman's always there to answer them. And Cat is my co-pilot. I know that. I know that tag. I know that tag. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thanks, Raffa, for joining me again.
Thanks, Bang. Thanks, everyone.
Again on the next stream. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.